Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and home improvement products.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. The Great Stuff 11,714 Stuff Pestblock 12 ounces Insulating Foam Sealant. If you're looking for the best pest foam available in the market, you're in the right place. This right here is not just any foam sealant. It's specifically designed with one primary goal in mind: keeping pests out of your home.
Whether it's ants, spiders, or even rodents, this stuff forms a barrier that pests simply can't breach. Let's talk features. The Great Stuff Pestblock is made from durable polyurethane foam, which means it expands to fill gaps and cracks, creating a long-lasting seal that's also waterproof. It's easy to use, adapting to any application method you prefer, whether you're using it straight from the can or with a foam gun. Applying it is a breeze. Just shake the can, attach the straw, and start filling those gaps. Watch how it expands to completely seal off any openings in your walls, around pipes, or even in attics and crawl spaces.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why is this the best pest foam out there?
It's simple. Great Stuff Pestblock not only seals out pests but also helps you save on energy costs by reducing drafts and air leaks.
Plus, it's formulated to be paintable, so you can blend it seamlessly into your home's decor. Imagine never having to worry about critters sneaking into your home through tiny cracks.
Users rave about how effective this product is, especially in older homes where gaps are common. It's like putting up an impenetrable barrier against unwanted guests. Wondering where you can use it?
The possibilities are endless.
From sealing around windows and doors to plumbing penetrations and electrical outlets, Great Stuff Pestblock can be used both indoors and outdoors.
So, if you're looking to fortify your home against pests while also improving its energy efficiency, look no further than the Great Stuff 11,714 Stuff Pestblock 12 ounces Insulating Foam Sealant.
It's reliable, easy to use, and most importantly, it gets the job done.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life easier.
Until next time, happy sealing!